how you can create mockups on Canva step by step. Hi guys, welcome to the new video, and today I will show you that how you can create mockups on Canva easily. So the first thing you actually know that is you have to have an account on Canva, or if you don't have an account on Canva, you have to create one. So let's just dive right into the process to create the mockups. So what's the basic thing? And the first thing you have to do is you have to go to search and then type t-shirts and select this t-shirt, and you have to click create a blank document. Now you can actually just select one of these, but obviously you want to create your own mockup, so you can just select this, create a blank t-shirt. So actually you don't need to write t-shirts and anything at all. You can just create a blank document and then create your mockup there, and then just add that to mockup. So uh, you don't actually have to search for the t-shirts, but still, if you are like confused to get your aspect ratio right, you can just select and search t-shirts. So let's just start. So let's say this white color, I don't want it, I want to change it, so I'll just select my page and go to this color, and now I have to add a new color. And let's say that I'll add black color. So that's it, I have added the black color, so the mockup will be in black color. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add text. Let's say I want to create a mockup with a written like and subscribe on it. So what I'm going to do is select glow and write subscribe. You can adjust its size just like this. You can like drag it up, down, or right, left to adjust its spacing. And one more thing, if you want to like change the color of the text, you can select it and go here and then choose the red one, because I'm creating it for the subscribe button is red, so I'll just add red in it. Okay, so it looks quite sick now. Now what I'm gonna do is that I also want to add like a like text. So now here I'm gonna write like, or like. Also, if you'd like to change the text color, you can do it just like this. Now this look good because the like is pink and the subscribe is obviously red. So you can just arrange them. You have to just select it, and you can left click and hold it, and you have to just move it like this to adjust it. Okay, but it's still like quite simple. So what you have to do is can add patterns or stickers, like whatever you want. So as for me, what I'm gonna do is I'll just add some patterns. So you just go to search and type patterns there, and you go to graphics, and these are all the patterns available. So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you find the like right pattern. Now this is good, but this is like premium, but this and this are actually good. But I'm gonna just select this because it gives you quite like traditional theme. Okay, so the various are like, where is it? Okay, so I'll just drag it and add it. So here is our pattern, but you cannot actually see it because of the color it is in right now. So right now it's like black color, so you can just make it a little bit bigger and then select the white color, and boom, that's it. And you can just adjust it like you adjusted the your text. Now here is like a little bit space left between like and subscribe, so I'm just gonna shorten the space, or should like give it the space actually. So that's it. And the thing here is that the text is above the pattern and the pattern is below the text. Now this is actually good because usually what happens is that the pattern is above the text, so the text gets like distorted or it doesn't look actually good. So in that case what you're going to do is that let me just show that how that case is. I'm just sending the text back just to show you that how it looks like when the pattern is above the text. So this is how it actually looks if the pattern is above the text. So you can fix it by like right click the pattern and then select send back, and then again right click the pattern. Okay, so there were like the two times this pattern was added like two times, so I will just delete this one. Okay, so yes, so I just sent this one back and that's how it looks. It looks quite sick. And let's say this is the pattern I want my mockup to be. So that's it. I will just now create a mockup, but let's just try this one as well. First of all, let me make it like white colored, and then I'll do this. No, this look trash. Okay, so I'll just make it a little bit bigger because our subscribe is not fully fitting in it, and just like that. It's quite amazing, isn't it? Now let's just this is like ready, your mockup is ready, but now what you have to do to actually get it to the mockup. So you have to go to the share button and then search for mockups. If you don't like find mockup here, which you not find mockup normally here, so you have to just go to the more and like and then like write mockups here. Okay, so smart mockups, you just have to select it. Now what happens here is, guys, that if you haven't like logged into the mockups, or you don't have an account on mockup, you just have to like create an account or log in into the mockup. And one more thing, guys, that you have to like link Canva and mockup, so that will also be done like just after you have created an account on mockup. So just click on save and it will probably like show a dialog box to us, and from there we can actually go to the mockup site and we can preview our designs. Okay, yes, so this is the pop-up, and you can select view in smart mockups if you want to like view your design actually in the mockups, or you can go to your home page, or you can continue editing. But if you want to like view it in mockups, you have to like click on this. So this is the mockups website, and guys, here is our mockup. If you like if this was on like phone, it would look like this, but our mockup was actually for the t-shirts. So I'll just select this, select t-shirts, and it will actually just automatically load our mockups on the t-shirts, and that's how it is done. So this is a mockup. If you want to like view it closely, you have to just select it and sync download, so you can actually download it or customize to if you want to like customize it. So that's it, guys. That's how you create a mockup. Hope you guys like my video, and if you like my video, guys, you please have to just like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment down if you want to like know more about these kind of things, and I'll just look into that. And also, guys, if you are facing some other kind of problems by like doing my tutorial, also you can comment down that too. Thanks, guys.